today I will show you guys about how to cook crab and also how to eating it with chili sauce, everyone. So now start to cook with me before we eat. We clean it first. Hi guys, yeah, today I will show you guys about how to cook crab with coconut, everyone. Here is our coconut. So start to cook with me. Add our crab on coconut like this. So now we start to boil it with fire, everyone. Boil it on fire, sorry. Yeah. Add chili. Add fish sauce. Soy sauce. So now we make tempering sauce to eat with our crab. This tempering, everyone. Chili, some tea, sugar, fish sauce. Mix it to be well. Wow. Wow. Really yummy and yummy. Wow. Wow. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. Wow. Oh. fantastic, everyone. You can try it by follow my video from the start until the end. It's really yummy, yummy, and yummy, everyone. So now I think it is time to say goodbye. Let me say goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, and thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.